What's up, guys? Welcome back to Build again. Today, it's back to work on our dirt bike to street legal adventure bike build. And in this episode, it's time to address some things I missed before we tried to paint last time. So we're gonna go ahead and start by doing a little welding on this thing. I seen a few holes that I missed, so we're gonna go through, address those. From there, we'll do some more grinding, clean up some more stuff, and then we gotta bust out the wire wheel and clean this thing up a little bit better because the jazz code didn't quite get everything. And then hopefully, if all goes as planned, maybe we'll get some primer on this thing and start getting it ready to be painted. But before we get started, let's go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button so we can keep on building. And with all that being said, let's get started. the next day. So yesterday, we managed to go through and get this thing all stripped down and cleaned up. And I'm happy with what the results are. So then today, I went and I grabbed our materials that we're gonna need. And so we're gonna start today by going through and setting up a little paint booth. That way we don't make a mess in here and it's nice and warm, so hopefully everything will go well. So we'll start by getting it all set up, then we gotta go through, get this frame all hung back up, and then we can spray some primer. So with all that being said, let's get started. guys. So after another long day, we managed to get this thing all primed up and ready for paint. So we're gonna go ahead, call it a wrap on this episode. In the next episode, it's time for paint round 2 on this thing. And I think we've got everything all planned out, so it should go nice and smoothly. And on top of that, we just hit 100 subscribers. Woo! I'm really excited. It was a great highlight to get all this done and hit 100 subscribers, and I can't thank you guys enough. So here's to more episodes and more badass projects. But before we get out of here, let's go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button so we can keep on building. And with all that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Peace!